Gary V or Gary Vaynerchuk and Alex Hormozi ilang beses na sinabi sa kanilang video na hindi naman daw sila nagmo-morning routine, hindi naman daw sila nag-journaling, hindi naman daw sila making their bed, hindi naman daw sila nagme-meditate, and yet they're still successful.
I built wealth without reading a book a week, without making my bed, without journaling, without a 2-hour morning routine, without giving up alcohol, without giving up Netflix, without waiting to marry, and without leverage. Because the only thing you actually have to do is find shit people want, sell it to them for more than it cost you many times.
And you said somewhere that you don't meditate. Work you do and the passion with which you do it is pretty much meditative. Your thoughts on this?
I think you've got me pegged.
Bakit nga ba yun ang kanilang stand? At bakit other successful people merong morning routine, waking up early in the morning, reading books, journaling, so on and so forth. Sila disciplined, ikaw hindi. Wag mong gamiting rason sa akin na si Alex Hormozi nga at si Gary V hindi